Vector algebra. A quantity that has magnitude as well as direction is called a vector. The unit vector in the direction of a vector is given by a vector divided mod a vector and is represented by a cap. Position vector of a point p x, y, z is given by up vector equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and its magnitude as OP vector mod equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square, where O is the origin. The scalar component of a vector are its direction ratios and represent its projections along the respective axes. The magnitude are direction ratios a, b, c and direction cosines L, M, N of any vector are related as L equal to a by r, M equal to b by r, N equal to c by r. The sum of the vectors representing the three sides of a triangle taken in order is zero vector. The triangle of vector addition states that if two vectors are represented by two sides of a triangle taken in order, their sum or resultant is given by the third side taken in opposite order. Scalar multiplication. If a vector is a given vector and lambda a is a scalar, then lambda a vector is a vector whose magnitude is mod lambda a vector equal to mod lambda into mod a vector. The direction of lambda a vector is same as that of a vector if lambda is positive, and opposite to that of a vector if lambda is negative. Vector joining two points. If p1 x1, y1, z1 and p2 x2, y2, z2 are any 2 points, then p1 p2 vector equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Mod p1 p2 vector equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Section formula. The position vector of a point R dividing the line segment joining the points P and Q whose position vectors are A vector and B vector. In the ratio M is to N internally is given by N A vector plus M B vector whole divided M plus N. In the ratio M is to N externally is given by M B vector minus N A vector whole divided M minus N. Projection of A vector along B vector is A dot B divided mod B vector, and the projection vector of A vector along B vector is A vector dot B vector divided mod B vector into B vector. Scalar or dot product. The scalar or dot product of two given vectors A vector and B vector having an angle theta between them is defined as A vector dot B vector equal to mod A vector into mod B vector cos theta. Vector or cross product. The cross product of two vectors A vector and B vector having angle theta between them is given as A vector cross B vector equal to A vector mod into B vector mod into sin theta into n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A vector and B vector, and A vector, B vector, n cap form a right-handed system. If A vector equal to A1 cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap and B vector equal to B1 cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap are two vectors and lambda is any scalar, then A plus B equal to A1 plus B1 cap plus A2 plus B2 j cap plus A3 plus B3 k cap. Lambda A vector equal to lambda A1 cap plus lambda A2 j cap plus lambda A3 k cap. A vector dot B vector equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. A vector cross B vector equal to determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole I cap plus a2 c1 minus a1 c2 j cap plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 k cap. Angle between two vectors a vector and b vector is given by cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector divided mod a vector into mod b vector equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 whole divided under root a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square into under root b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square.